Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Beer giants Red Stripe launched the Red Stripe Big Bus campaign recently, and fans of the brew and reggae music were out as the Kingston leg of the competition unfolded. Red Stripe showcasing upcoming talent with big dreams to take on the Reggae Sumfest stage this year.
Tonight is the Kingston edition of our Big Bus competition. Now this competition gives artists an opportunity to be on the big mega stage for Sumfest, which happens in July 16th to the 23rd. So we only did Kingston and Montego Bay this year, but based on the resounding support that we got, we'll definitely look into spreading it a little bit wider next year for sure.
Yeah, cause they say everything is irate. Me not fi stop a sound when the soldiers are come. Cause the lyrics me a spit sweet like bubble gum. No bring no bad vibes, best like me. And I said everything is irate.
Wicked people them can never make me fret. Kingston the journey seems sad. Oh Lord, 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 Lord of mercy. Where do you go? Don't you need my love, baby? Why can't you come on and let us play, girl?
Well, we look for quality performance, appearance, and just star quality, you know, just person who truly deserve to perform on Sumfest. Any medium that is used to give people an opportunity to express themselves and, you know, become somebody in a society, then that's always a good thing. So, you know, I am in full support of any medium where you know, we put people out there and give people the opportunity to make life, you know.
Dancehall artist Idonia is reaffirming his commitment to education, awarding 5 new scholarships to students from the Maxfield Primary School. The scholarships, made possible through his One Voice Foundation, are worth over 300,000 Jamaican dollars and are issued to students at the grade 6 level who exemplify good behavior and maintain the highest grades throughout their school tenure. At the end of the school year, the top performing student receives a grant of $200,000 for high school and book vouchers awarded separately to offset their academic expenses. Reggae crooner Bugle is now in his 5th week of a 3-month promotional tour for his Be Yourself album. The artist arrived in Japan this week after wrapping up shows in Germany, France, Switzerland and the Czech Republic. He is featured in the June edition of Canada's L3 magazine and continues to enjoy fan support for his latest musical work. Nesbeth's latest efforts, New Gangster and Success Story, have created a noticeable upsurge in demand for the artist across North America. The My Dream singer recently delivered performances at the Caribbean Village Cultural Festival in Fort Lauderdale and the Atrium in Atlanta, Georgia. He has expressed pleasure with the reception of his music, and both singles continue to resonate in the diaspora and across various demographics. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.